Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White can win this. And white's pawn is going forward in this direction and black's pawns are going downward in this direction. And though it's white to play and win, white must find the only winning move, and there is only one move in this position to win for white. So as always guys, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so if you had a chance to see that promoting this pawn will be the way to win the game, yeah, that is the correct idea, but you have to execute this properly, otherwise you'll end up in a draw position. So first you may try to move your king to try help the pawn, but because of the king's position you can't get broke this and help the pawn, right? The king is just on the way and the king wouldn't let you do that. So in this position black would just push its own pawn and this is a draw because you can't make anything, right? So black is pushing its own pawn. You can't just in this position you can't just take this, but that doesn't help you, right? This is not going to work and this is just stalemate, and you can't force black to get out from the diagonal, the promotion diagonal, and you don't have any piece to do so. If you just move your bishop away, black would just capture your pawn, right? So that is the idea, and you can't even move your bishop, otherwise black would just capture your pawn and you don't have a winning chance in this position. So this is the problem of the puzzle, and the solution is not to do all of these things but to promote the pawn immediately. So this forces black to capture the queen. In fact, that is the only legal move for black. And now you are going to play king to e6. So you are just preventing black from moving out of this box, right? So black's only legal move is to play king to h8, right? That is the only move. And be careful in this position, do not take this pawn. Instead you play king to f7, and now you can get the idea. Black has no moves, black king can't move, and this pawn is the only piece that can move, and you are going to deliver checkmate on f7, and this is just checkmate. So this is the solution of the puzzle. This is how white win. First promote the pawn, and black has to take that. It's the only legal move, and you play king to e7. All of black's pawn are stuck and can't move, and black can't go out from the box, and the only legal move in that position is to play king to h8, and you are going to play king to f7, and bishop to g7 is just checkmate. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found this entertaining, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time. Bye.